Value has to do with supply and demand, and also like what goes into it, what comes out of it. It's a complicated equation, isn't it? Hi, I'm Angel, by the way. Thanks for stopping by. I was just thinking about value because I was admiring this gorgeous piece of art here, which my mother paid a couple $1,000s for, I think, some time ago, after it sat for probably some years at one of our local restaurants. And I imagine that the artist who made it probably put more than that amount of time and even perhaps money. When you look at all these custom-made pieces, fired, ceramic, 2,000 might seem like a lot, and actually I think it was a little under that, like 1,800. But in any case, it's really not when you look at how much energy and work goes into art. And I was just talking to some good friends of mine, artists lately, and there's kind of this overriding idea, and even my mom just recently said something kind of derogatory about me playing music that reminded me of how much we tend to devalue art and music, because we have so much of it in our lives, maybe because people are willing to sell themselves for less than when they're doing something they love, like music or art, than they are when they're doing something they don't love, like waiting tables. It's not a good example, is it? People do things, for less even than that probably are even less enjoyable. So again, back to my original statement, value, it's a complicated equation. And I guess I just wanted to bring up the subject because as a musician and an artist, I wish that we all valued art and music a little bit more, including myself. And I try to always tip a musician when I see them, and I try to support my local artists. And yet, there's a lot of room for improvement in my own support and valuing of artists and musicians, and certainly in society at large. So I guess it's just my 2 cents to say, hey, buy some art this season and throw your local musician a bone or a 5 spot or a 20, because they're working hard for it. And we should value those beautiful things, those things that help us feel, that help us reflect, that bring a little color into corners. I think without that, life would be not nearly as enjoyable. So I hope you're with me in appreciating and valuing artists and musicians and art and music. That's my 2 cents for right now. I'd love to know if you have any thoughts on that. Put that in the comment section. Check out the description for other ways you can connect with me and support me. And as always, till next time, I wish you love, lightheartedness, laughter, amazing adventures, beautiful art, moving music. Ciao for now.